guys, how people doing? So welcome to Leko's Lifestyle. So guys, in this video we are going to check it out. O3 Plus Meladerm 3step sheet mask. I will show you the demo and how to use it. Will it really work it out? Let us see the review and all those sorts of things, and which is different from the normal sheet mask. So I chose a Meladerm sheet mask from O3 Plus, and it's specially for Dtan. Yes guys, this is specially for the tanned skin. So let us check it out, the details and all those sorts of things. So guys, this is the makeup free look before applying the mask, and I have not cleansed my face at least for 4 hours, and my skin is really dull, and I have been exposed to sun, and I have been working in the kitchen, and it's really polluted and dull and dry. So let us start using the mask and see how it is. So as said, we have 3 steps. So the first step in the mask is the deep cleaning. They have a cleanser, and another is like the mask as usual, the sheet mask, and third is a moisturizing cream, and they have the picture how to use, as we know how to use or everything. But after that, the rate is like 245 rupees for one packet, and it's one time use only. So I'm gonna start the cleanser. The cleanser is like a mild pink color in shade and good fragrance, and I just cleansed my face with normal water, cold water, and I'm just dabbing it over, and I'm gonna use my mask. So it smells like quite normal, nice smell, I have to say. It's not so thick or like heavy fragrance or something like that. So I'm just literally taking it out, and you can see one difference from the other sheet mask is like that it has the eye cover also. Normally the eye portion will be like a hole only on the other mask, but here we have the part for the eyes. You can see it like this. Yeah, so let me just correct it all over. Just let me place correctly, because every face will be different, so the shapes and everything. So here it is, and I'm just okay. So I am just closing my eyes also with the extra pieces given there, so that I literally get the benefit all over my face. So I'm just taking a face roller also, which I always store in my refrigerator. So it's for the cool sensation, like it just gives a cool, relaxing kind of effect, and it's very good for your skin also. It will help in just helping, I have heard it, I don't know how much it works, but it helps in anti-aging and like that and all. So I'm just closing my eyes with the extra portions, and I'm just applying on my under eyes also, because I have dark circles, all those skin issues. So that's it. Now let me just take a nap for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes it's literally dried, and I'm just peeling it off. Yeah, and I'll just massage with the same mask, just as any dirt or anything is there, means it will just come out. So, and I'm just giving an ice cube wash also, like I just apply an ice cube, because it gives again a good cooling effect, and also close the pores. And that's it. Now I'm using the third, the moisturizing, and I'm just dabbing it, and the moisturizer is really good, and you can see after use how I look, and the skin is really velvety touch. Okay guys, I have to say, after using the mask, the skin is really glowing, hydrated and velvety. Tan, yes, I can say around, and the focus is on tan, so I can say around 50 to 60 to 70% tan is been removed. So I'm really happy with the result. So you have seen yourself guys how it is gonna work it out or not, and I think I will give around 8.5 rating around out of 10. Yes, and I personally liked it. I will use it especially when I get more tan or something like that. So if you have any problem with tan or something, you can just give a shot, and I would recommend also. And O3 Plus have most of these products, like especially for the tan and facial cleanup, all those kind of things. They have a lot of varieties, and I have put the description by link description. I bought it from Nykaa, so I have put the by link descriptions. You can check it out if you wish to. So that's it, guys. So hope you like this video, and if yes, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'll catch you up in another some exciting video. Till then, it's Lego gonna sign off. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. Ta-ta.